Okay, FedEx just delivered the SC Project exhaust. And here it is, just arrived. Small box. I thought it's gonna be a bigger box. Okay. Okay. Here's my new puppy. He's also interested. Here, you want to smell it? It's just an exhaust. Okay. So I'm gonna put it here, right here now. I'm still working right now, and I open it later and show you the out of the box video. Okay, thanks. Okay, I'm gonna start unboxing the SC Project WSBK exhaust for Ducati Panigale V4. Let me prepare all the things I need to take out. And I also have my loyal audience here. This is Chase, my Labrador puppy. He always likes to be with me, and he's watching my unboxing video. Yeah, good boy. Okay, let's start taking out. Okay, hey, sit, 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 Sam. Sit, sit. Yeah. Okay, good boy. Okay. Let's just take it out. So this is the packaging inside. Let's start taking out things one by one. Wow, this thing must shake around a lot during shipping. Hopefully nothing is broken. They don't even have like a foam, just bubble wrap. Okay. Down, 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 down. Okay. And we have this pipe. We have this pipe. The silencer. Another pipe. So this is part of the manifold. And then the joint. And more pipe. So many pipe. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's get rid of this box. Everything is already taken out, right? So let's put it over here. And Chase, come, move here, move here, move here. Sit here, sit, yeah, good boy, sit, yeah, sit, stay. I want to see the silencer first, so let me get a scissor. No, Chase. Oh, my audience start become curious now, so stay. Good boy. Sit, Chase. So this is the silencer. Okay, everything looks good. Now what I really want to know is the diameter of this pipe here, the inlet. Because I wanna see if I can use a different silencer. So let's see the diameter, and the outside diameter is 58. Chase, no, sit, 58, and the inside diameter is 54. Yes, 54. So it might fit. That's a good idea. Okay. SC project, SBK, laser mark. Very nice attention to detail. Very nice. That's how it look. Okay. Now let's see what's in here. Oh, this is the paste, the lubricant, and the hardware. So this is the anti-seize paste. Oh, this is just the adapter for the auto sensor. Okay, Jess, no, Jess. No. Hey, sit. Jess, ayo. Okay, so this is the pipe that connect to the two silencers. Let's double check with the diameter of this pipe here. Yeah, they are 84.45. Okay. Look at the welding. Very nice welding. And it's very light. The laser marking. Very nice detail. Even the welding to this spring clamp. Very nice. Very light. Okay. Good. Okay, let me take my puppy here first. Okay, so let's take out the remaining pipe. Let's see what is this for. Just the other joint that goes to the manifold. This must go to one of the manifold, don't know which one, and you put that bushing for the auto sensor here. Okay. Yeah, everything else is just more piping. Oh, let's see this one. This is the manifold flange. Look, this is the manifold flange. Laser mark SC project. Wow, this is very nice. This is machine, and then they weld it here, and they even make the welding inside smooth. I guess they must grind and polish it inside to have a very smooth airflow. This is very nice quality right here. I wonder whether I can use a different nut instead of the factory nut. I want to use the titanium nut, so we're gonna see about that when I install the exhaust. More Okay, this one have a different, see, this one have that, this one have that. So this one is slightly adjustable, this one is not. Okay, since the bike is a 4-cylinder, it have 4 manifold flange. Let's put it here. Let's see if there is other interesting thing. Oh, okay, yeah, this one. So this one is the bracket. The bracket for the silencer. And what bracket is that? That's interesting. And here's the bracket. Okay, later I'm gonna figure out how to install the other bracket from AELLA for the tie down to transport the bike, but I'll do it later. Make sure everything is nice. Yep, everything is nice. Let's put this bracket back. Okay, this is good. Let's find the second silencer. Make sure this one is also good condition. So, okay, this is the other silencer. Same thing. Very nice. It's blue due to the heat, and you guys can see how free flow it is. Very nice. SC project. Okay. Now this one is the carbon fiber cover. Oh wow, it actually came with a carbon fiber lower tank cover. I don't know that it come with this. And I already have a Peter Lip carbon fiber lower tank cover. I also just purchased Berger one, ILM Berger, but that one doesn't have this mounting hole because I'm afraid if you put if you screw it too hard, then it will break the carbon fiber. Yeah, this one is a shiny carbon fiber. There's some imperfection there, but I'm not gonna use it anyway. But it's nice to know that it came with this. I still will buy the Berger one. The Peter Lip one also like this, very nice, nicer than this one, of course, the Peter Lip version. But again, it used this to mount it, and since I'm gonna put a tie down, you have to torque it very hard, and it might crack the carbon fiber. So I'm not gonna use this version, but I'm gonna use the Berger version where you just glue it to the tank. And now this is the rest of the hardware, all the springs, and it also comes with this cover in case you don't need the O2 sensors. Okay, hopefully everything is here. I hope. I will not know until I install the exhaust. And let's see this carbon fiber cover here. Now this is the side cover. Carbon fiber, very light, of course. They don't say who made it for SC Project. I'm sure SC Project buy it from someone else. It's made in 22 November 2020, so about 5 months ago. Yeah, they only came in the shiny carbon fiber like this, not matte carbon fiber, but that's okay. I also ordered some shiny carbon fiber for the fairing, so yeah, this is okay. And the logo. Okay, put this back and put this away. Make sure I don't scratch it. And the rest is just piping, and piping. So I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. I don't want to take out the cover yet. I plan to start installing this tomorrow, and then I take the cover off this pipe. Okay everyone, so this is the end of this unboxing video of the SC Project WSBK exhaust for the Ducati Panigale. The next step is I'm going to make a video of the installation, and hopefully later the first startup, and also to show you how it looked like on the bike once everything is set up. If you have any question about this exhaust or about all the modification I've done, I post my build track in the DucatiModified.com forum. This is the address, DucatiModified.com forum. This forum is for people like you and me who is passionate, enthusiast about our Ducati and like to modify our Ducati. It's also a good forum that is civilized, where everybody can learn and also share their experience. So please check our forum, and hopefully you can join. We find it beneficial for you to join, and if you join us, maybe you can also share your experience, provide content to our forum to help our forum grow, and we all can benefit and learn from each other. Thank you so much.